jaw from Africa.
A big jaw?
That's what it's called.
Big jaw from Africa. So what's the news about this big jaw from Africa? Why is it in the news?
Because
excuse me. So louder, it's your current event, so you need to tell the audience what information you learned about this. What's the Latin word?
Pegomastax africanus.
Well, that's a mouthful. So what are you here to teach us about this animal?
Because it's the new type of dinosaur.
That they just discovered? Had they never discovered it before?
A scientist found it in South Africa, but he just left it in his drawer and forgot about it.
So a scientist found it in South Africa. Found what? Did we find a real live dinosaur? Which part?
Fossil.
The fossils of the dinosaurs. And then what happened?
He put it in his drawer and forgot about it.
He put it in his drawer and forgot about it. Why did he do that? Okay. And then what happened? The scientists what?
Studied it.
Okay. And what did they discover?
The big canine teeth.
Big canine teeth. What do canine teeth tell scientists about an animal? What do the animal probably eat?
But it didn't eat meat.
It didn't eat meat and it had canine teeth?
Those were for protecting.
Oh, okay. What else? What's for?
Some scientists thought they were eating meat. Scientists thought it had quills.
It had what?
Quills.
What does that mean?
Like porcupine.
Oh, like spikies?
Yeah.
Oh, that they could shoot out if there was a predator coming?
Like, this is one. This is
One of its relatives. And is this actually it? Did you label the parts of it? It looks like you did some writing.
I did a beak.
A sharp beak. Okay, what else do you want to tell us about this news? So it's a new discovery, a new kind of dinosaur. Is there anything else you want to share with us about this news? You used to live in South Africa?
No,
Oh,
where the scientist was.
where was that?
Massachusetts.
Oh. So, okay. Anything else we want to share? Is there any other facts? Let me take questions. Okay, let's say, with a nice strong body and strong voice.
Questions, comments, or compliments?
Okay, we got a few hands, bud. Calling some people.
Great. Do they have rounded teeth or is it just small teeth?
Should they have big teeth or do they have small teeth? That was the
The
question.
top teeth are small.
Okay.
The bottom teeth are big.
Question. So a lot of times scientists can look at the teeth Now you know there's dinosaurs that had sharp beaks like this and maybe quills like porcupines. I didn't know there was dinosaurs that could have quills.
Where did you get this news? The newspaper.
The newspaper.
Here. When we were yesterday on a field trip, we found a cowboy bone and we found a bone of a dog.
Interesting. So you were like, yeah, and that's how the scientists discovered it. But they had to find the bones to know it existed, right? So this happened in South Africa was where it was discovered, right? So South Africa is on the very bottom of the continent of Africa. Ruby, try to keep your attention over here and not pay attention to first grade. Do you know where it is on the map? Do you want to show? Oh, okay. Awesome. Having a globe at your house is a good tool. There you go. So scooch to the side so they can see. So Wilder's pointing to South Africa. It's on the southernmost point of the continent of Africa. And Massachusetts, first grade, Massachusetts is on the east coast of the United States, the northeast. Okay, you scoot to the side so you can see over here. And that's where the scientist lives. Right. What kind of news did you think this was? International, how come? It was found in a different country, and discovering a new type of dinosaur is really big news. Boys and girls, what do we say to Wilder?